Feeling comfortable being uncomfortable is so important as a trader. When you're new to trading, you place your first live trade and you've probably done really well in your demo account. You've made loads of money in your demo account, then you go live and then suddenly it all changes. You can't make money in your live account and you're feeling really nervous, emotional, hesitant, fearful, unconfident when you place that live trade. Let me tell you, that is completely normal, okay? But what we need to get you to become is comfortable with feeling uncomfortable. See, I've been doing this a long time. I've placed thousands of trades. And so I pretty much know that I can produce a profit after a losing trade. But when you're new to trading and you get stopped out of a trade, it's like the end of the world for a lot of people. And so if you're an outcome-based trader, which you need to get away from, by the way, is that your trading career or your trading week or day, how long it ever lasts, is going to be a roller coaster of emotions. And we don't want that because it's harder then to enjoy this game, enjoy the learning. So be uncomfortable with feeling uncomfortable, and that takes time. That takes seeing many trades go through, seeing many market environments, conditions. And I've been doing this 20 odd years as a trader. I've seen a lot of stuff over the years. So if I take a losing trade, I'm not an outcomes based trader, i.e. if I take a losing trade now, then it really doesn't bother me. But if you're a new trader, I really understand that it will bother you. But for your own sake and your own health and mental well-being, you've got to feel comfortable with taking losing trades somehow. You've got to feel comfortable with being uncomfortable. Otherwise, it's a long journey. That could be some trigger. It could be journaling. It could be self-talk. Whatever it is, you need to feel uncomfortable placing trades. A lot of the time from a technical point of view, because remember there's two parts of this trading. There's the skill, the technical side of stuff, the charts, the indicators, the systems, and then there is the psychology side of it, the emotional side of it, which you'll always have as a trader. You just need to learn how to deal with that, and that comes down to training, support, and then working it through. Just feel comfortable with being uncomfortable, guys. Find your way and you'll feel like you're trading with a lot more freedom. Hope it helps.